Strongest storms, though, that have been producing lightning, even some thunder, and very heavy rain are down to the south. Here's Rock Hill, down towards Edgemoor. You can see rainfall rates showing you just how heavy some of these downpours are.
Good evening. We flew over this fire yesterday at South Mountain State Park, and just in one day, this fire has tripled in size. We want to give you a live look.
We do have multiple counties under a tornado watch. It includes Mecklenburg County until 6 o'clock this evening. About 25 miles per hour. You can see the flags here whipping behind me. It's these strong wind gusts that are going to keep those wind chills well below zero here in Watauga County as you head out the door Wednesday morning. So when we talk about our heat index, that takes into account the temperature and the humidity, how uncomfortable it's going to feel if you have plans to be outdoors. And notice, I have to remind you, we are in January looking at those temperatures. Very typical for what we have our average high in April.
Yeah, so basically spring is here this week.
Yeah. But watch what happens as these showers move over the Appalachians. This is something we see a lot here. The mountains kind of acting like a speed bump for this line of showers and thunderstorms. My boot's sinking in some of the saturated soil outside of this tree, and it's not just the case here in the riverbed. This is a problem all across the Charlotte area and across the sky, or the fireball. Essentially, that is just a bright meteor. It enters the atmosphere. The reason why you can see it flashing, or sometimes it was reported with colors of white or green or orange, is because it's actually burning up in the gases in the atmosphere.
And Rapp, because it's a lot different now. We got some blue skies and it's warming up.
Oh yeah, lots of sunshine out there. We dropped down to 33. That was our morning low. Maybe you were like me, had a little bit of frost on your car. We've warmed to 30 degrees here throughout the morning hours, and the main reason for that, we've got some winds out of the south, but also the dew point. We've got very dry air out there. Maybe you noticed your hands cracking a little bit because of the dry air. That's also the reason why our temperatures wasting no time here as we head into the afternoon hours. All of us, including the high country, 50s and 60s here at the lunchtime hour. 63 in Albemarle, 62 in Hickory, Boone coming in at 60 here this afternoon, and not a lot of wind, so it's an enjoyable afternoon ahead. We'll top off here in the Charlotte area, breaking down some of your neighborhood forecasts. In Elizabeth, 67 for an afternoon high, nearly 15 degrees above where we usually are this time of year. These are temperatures we usually feel in April. Warmth continues up in the high country. Jefferson having those temperatures reading the mid-60s for your Monday afternoon. But you will notice some increasing clouds throughout the afternoon hours. That's kind of a sign of what's to come. And on our threat tracker, as we look ahead to the next couple of days, the warmth going to continue through at least the next couple of days. One thing you also may notice is our 7-day scrolling on the side of your screen. We're going to bring back in the chance for some showers. A couple of rounds of rain possible as we head into the middle and first half of our work week. Let's time it all out for you using Futurecast. 8 o'clock tonight. Notice here's those clouds I was talking about slowly increasing across the Carolinas. As we head throughout the day on Tuesday, here's Tuesday morning, we're going to have a line of showers start to develop off to our west. Places like central Tennessee, even Alabama, will have the risk for some strong storms and even some severe weather. See, the brighter shades of yellow and orange indicates the heavy rain. But watch what happens as these showers move over the Appalachians. This is something we see a lot here. The mountains kind of acting like a speed bump for this line of showers and thunderstorms. Colors go away. We'll still have some light rain, but it will be quite spotty and not really worried about a risk for severe weather here in the Carolinas Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Throughout the day on Wednesday, clouds will continue. We'll have another round of rain possible Wednesday night, and then again Wednesday night into Thursday morning. That's when the actual front will move through. So through Wednesday, we're still dealing with these unseasonably warm conditions as temperatures top off in the upper 60s the next couple of days. But hold on to that rain gear. You'll need it through at least Thursday. Thursday into Friday, when that cool down moves in. So we've got lots to talk about on that 5-day forecast. Make sure you have our WSOC TV weather app to keep on top of the latest as well. Now, temperatures leading into Thursday and Friday, that's when we'll actually fall back closer to where we should be this time of year. We'll dry out for Friday, and your upcoming weekend, which is always in view, keeps those temperatures right back above average. We'll be in the middle to upper 60s, looking like a nice weekend ahead. Sunshine continuing, but again, if you're waiting for the winter chill, we'll have about 2 days of it, and then it's right back to April-like conditions.
What happened to 6 more weeks?
Every 10 minutes on Eyewitness News this morning, meteorologist Christine Rapp's in Severe Weather Center 9, showing us the neighborhood, seeing that rain right now.
Yeah, really no matter which neighborhood you're heading out of here in the metro area, you will run into wet roads. This is what it looks like right now on Live Early Warning Doppler 9. Some very heavy rain along the I-85 corridor from Gastonia out towards western portions of Charlotte. Some of our strongest storms, though, that have been producing lightning, even some thunder, and very heavy rain are down to the south. Here's Rock Hill, down towards Edgemoor. You can see see rainfall rates showing you just how heavy some of these downpours are. About an inch of rain per hour. Now, they're moving pretty quickly here this morning, but enough to produce a very heavy downpour, maybe reduce some of the visibility as you head out the door and start your Wednesday morning. Up in the high country, still some very light snow showers continuing for areas of Avery, even Watauga County. Here's what it looks like right now in downtown Boone. You can see a little bit of wet on the camera there. We have snow on the surfaces, even some on the streets. Temperatures up in the Boone area in the low 30s, so watch out for some of those slick spots as well. Taking you through the day today on Futurecast by 8 o'clock this morning. Notice we're still going to be tracking the heaviest rain indicated here by the yellow and red until about 10, 11 o'clock here this morning. As we head closer to the lunchtime hour, those showers will push off to the east. We'll actually see some sunshine as we head into your Wednesday afternoon hours. So we won't need the rain gear all day, and for your drive home, totally different story than what we're dealing with here this morning. So again, thunder, lightning, very possible, especially down in the Midlands. We've got rain still going on in the metro area. A little bit of wind as well would be our main concerns. I want to show you how much rain we're expecting to get for your neighborhood here as we head throughout the day today. Rainfall accumulation by the time the showers move out of here. Notice higher amounts, close to an inch down to the south and east for Rockingham and Chesterfield. Closer to half an inch here in the Charlotte area. Coming up at the top of the 8 o'clock hour, I'm going to show you how much we've received so far at the airport. But as I mentioned, we are going to see things clear by this afternoon. Upper 50s will do it for an afternoon high here on this Wednesday. And that's about average here as we head into tomorrow, even closer, mid 50s, but it's short-lived. We'll be bringing temperatures back into the middle to upper 60s heading into your weekend. And on your 5-day forecast, you'll notice we'll also have the chance for a shower. We've got those showers here this morning as well as Saturday night into Sunday morning. So as you start making those weekend plans, something we'll watch out close for you. But really, major issues here this morning as you head out the door. You can take our app with you, see where the heaviest rain is moving here this morning.
Very handy information right now. All right, Christine, thanks.